Okay, I'm going to show you how to cut a piece of drywall with an odd shaped hole. You could either square up the hole or you can do this. What I like to do is I get some wood in there first, screw it into the ceiling or wall wherever you're doing the patch. We had part of a piece left over, so I was able to fix that and put that in, but I left with an odd shaped hole. So what I like to do is I get construction paper or some kind of heavy paper to be able to come up with what the hole looks like and transfer it to the drywall. Alright, I happen to have this construction paper. It's big enough, and what I'm going to do is I take this construction paper, I take it up to where the hole is, so it's bigger than the hole, and then I use a razor knife and I start to cut into the paper along the edges to follow my guide to make this piece. Well, now that I've got it cut, I'm going ahead and take it out to the drywall that I have, and I'll trace it onto the drywall. As you can see, the paper looks somewhat like the hole is. It's not perfect, but this will do. So once you have this, now you can transfer the lines onto your drywall that you're going to be cutting. I just used a pen or pencil. I lay it onto the drywall and I trace it. Then I cut it. You can either use a keyhole saw or just a razor knife. It takes a little longer with a razor knife, but you break it into longer sections and then follow the lines the best that you can. Now this is the shape that I came up with. It's only square on one end, well not square, but straight on one end, and the rest is all however the piece hole was done. So now I have this piece. I will take it up and put it into the ceiling. As you can see, it fits. This is the back side of the board. Doesn't matter here because I'm going to be skimming the whole thing and then doing a knockdown texture, which you can see other videos that I have of how to do knockdown texture. But you want to skim this thing flat before you do it. Okay, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one.